What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record screen on iPhone. Let's follow me to learn how to record any screen using a built-in screen recorder. The first step is to add a screen recording shortcut to the iPhone Control Center. First, open the Settings app on the iPhone and tap on the Control Center option. Now, tap on the green plus button next to the screen recording option under the More Control Center, and add to the active Control Center shortcuts list. Also, we can rearrange the order of the Control Center shortcut list. Once you add, go back and open the Control Center from the top right corner of the screen. Here's your screen recording shortcut and tap on it to start recording of your screen. Now, record anything that you want on your iPhone screen. Recording allows users to record online videos like YouTube, Facebook, gaming, and other entertainment or social app. Stop recording by a tap on the red button showing on the top left corner. And recorder will ask to stop recording, go with yes option, and recorded video will save on iPhone Photos app. Or tap on notification to play video on a screen. Let's see how to broadcast screen recording. We can access more custom settings for screen recording by long touch and press on the screen recording button. Here's the microphone button. When this microphone is turned on, we can record our voice during screen recording from microphone or record system sound while you recording screen. And also share your screen as broadcast on third-party installed apps like Zoom, Skype, Messenger, Microsoft Teams as well. Select any of the app before start screen sharing. That's pretty useful. You can also get more about this video in the description below and the top video card. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any question, then write down in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Before leave this video, subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get more tips and tricks. Goodbye, have a nice day.